What we have here is a 2024 Ford. It's an F150 XLT crew cab. It's the short box. And it's got a couple of nice little features on it. We're going to take a quick walk around, just kind of look at some of the stuff that's on it. It's got about 53K. On the front here, you'll notice the good-looking grille. I like the black kind of mixed in with the chrome. I think it makes it kind of look sharp. It's got the 5-liter V8, so if you're looking for something with still want that V8 power, particularly if you like putting custom exhaust on it, this is the one you're going to want to go with. Along the sides here, it's got the chrome wheels, nice looking tires, a little more aggressive. These are the Road X tires. They've got a little bit more of aggressive tread there. Shouldn't be too noisy though. It'll be nice and quiet on the road, on the highway. Got the full-length running boards. You can notice it's got the cameras as well for the surround sound, so you can, or the surround camera system, so you can see what's going on. Inside we got the split bench seat. This centerpiece just flips up, so if you want to put 3 people in the front, you can. Got some storage, got a little glove box up here, got another one down below. Got the floor mats that come right from the factory with it. On the door trim, lots of storage pockets, places to keep odds and ends. Got a little grab handle here too to make it a little easier if you're trying to climb in and out. So you can pull yourself up if you get a bad knee or whatever. In the back, the seats are split. Just undo these seatbelts. I'll just kind of show you how they kind of flip up out of the way. But this just lifts up. Gives you a nice flat load floor. The other side does the same. It'll flip up as well. So if you're looking for, extra room, I've even seen guys throw foamies on the floor back here, so they got a kind of a place to sleep. And behind here, there's your jack and your tire iron and everything behind the seat. Just flip that back up out of the way. All right, let's go to look in the back here. We'll go down the side. Go to the rear of the vehicle. You can see we've got the trailer hitch on the down below, so if you're going to be pulling a trailer, you're not going to have to add that. It also comes with all your wiring harnesses there. Little backup camera in here. This is kind of nice too. It gives you a little light when you're backing up, so you can see what's going on. In the back, we've got the spray and bed liner to help protect everything. We've also got these cool little cubby holes I've seen in here. This just opens up, and you can kind of see you got a little storage area right in there if you want to keep some stuff out of the way. Good place to put like tie downs, maybe something like that. Extra set of work gloves, that sort of thing. Just that way you got them when you need it. On the sides here, you can see we just kind of gave it a little bit of an undercoating just to kind of finish it off a little bit. I don't know why they don't do that right for the factory, but for whatever reason, we like to spray these in. They just look a little bit nicer when we do that when we do up our detail. Just kind of show you the inside trim there. Has been through the shop. We did a safety inspection on it. Did a couple little things. If you want us to have a look at it, just give us a shot. I know we did a diff service and a couple other things. I think we put cabin air filters and all that kind of stuff. But just give us a call. We'll gladly send you a copy of it. It's got power windows, power mirrors, power locks, power driver's seat. It's got the lumbar support here for your lower back. There's a little airbag in there that'll just push out for you. Make it a little bit more comfortable if you got a bit of a bad back. Automatic headlights. Just put it in automatic mode and they'll just go ahead and automatically turn on when you're driving. Just fire it up here. Grab the key out of my pocket. I have that there. Nice big screen in this one too. We're going to take a look at that here in a second. So just fire it up. Gives you like the whole logo thing and everything. So over here we've got all your cruise control adjustments and all that kind of setup over here. And on this side you've got your dash access points, so you can actually get in here and you can kind of see what's going on with the screens. What this here is just telling you there's the seat belts buckled up there, and this one's not done. That's the driver's seat. So just kind of like a little extra safety warning. So before you head out, you're knowing what's going on. Lots of gauges in here you can access, like your tripometers, all that kind of stuff. So it's easy to get to. Lots of nice little screens and different menus and all kinds of stuff you can access. Nice big digital gauge. Over here we got a big touch screen in the middle. I like the size of this. It's got lots of room and easy to access everything. You've got your audio settings. It comes with a Sirius XM satellite radio. You can subscribe to that, so you don't have to go ahead and add it later. You do have navigation right from the factory, so if you want to use the factory nav, you can do that too. What else we've got here? Different sources. You can do Bluetooth audio if you pair your phones, that sort of thing. Makes it a little bit easier to, I think with Apple Music, I think that's all my kids are using now is Apple Music, to be honest with you. Automatic start stop. We can access your cameras there too. You can see there's your 360-degree camera, so you can see all the way around the truck when you're backing up. And then you got a dedicated just backup camera right there, so you can just see what's going on when you're actually backing up to a hitch or whatever. Built-in trailer brake controllers to activate your trailer brakes if you're pulling a trailer. You've got a tow mode. or pardon me, your 4-high mode. You can just go between the two of them. You can also change your drive modes here. If you're doing some more off-road stuff, that's kind of handy to have. Where you'd like the air to blow, it's got automatic climate control. You just hit the automatic button, just set the temperature you'd like the vehicle to be at, and you're good to go. You can just set the temperature. So just by spinning this, you can see I've set the temperature here to like 20 degrees for the driver. Passengers mode could do the same thing. You can go ahead to access that and have two separate zones if you like. A couple of power points, different places you can plug some stuff in. You got a little storage area down there. Got some cup holders up here. More storage inside there. This also flips up as well. And there's some storage underneath here in the middle seats too. So you got some extra places to keep some odds and ends if you need to tuck some stuff out of the way. So if you're looking to get yourself a Ford pickup truck, this is a great one for you. I like the color and the silver. It's all been through the shop. It's ready to go, so just give us a call. We'd be glad to work out some payments for you and send you home in a new-to-you Ford. Hope to see you soon.